Alright, today we're going to show you the tools and techniques to properly square a precision vise on a mill table. Knowing how to properly square a vise on a mill is important because if you don't start square, it's hard to end square.
These are the tools you're going to need to properly set up the entire operation. Starting from left to right, you have a Kurt vise. You also have a torque wrench right to its right. You also have a 3/4 wrench, and right next to it is the vise handle, as well as the Allen wrench, which is that L-shaped black bar. And starting from top to the bottom, you have the T-nuts, you also have the bolts, washers, and then the cap screw precision bolts. You also have a bench stone to the right, and then right below it you have two precision ground jaws. And then above it you have the mag base as well as the test indicator, and then to its right you have a 16-ounce dead blow hammer. Before mounting the vise, both the table and the vise must be stoned and wiped free of debris. The last thing that should touch all surfaces is a clean hand. Here Ryan is placing the vise gently on the mill table and using his thumbs to align the ears on the vise with the T-slot on the table. The fasteners used to mount the vise to the mill table are 2 T-nuts, 2 washers, and 2 1/2-inch 13-hex bolts. Here is the assembled bolt, washer, and T-nut before being placed into the T-slot. Ryan is using socket head cap screws to mount the precision ground vise jaws onto the vise. This is the dial test indicator attached to a magnetic base.
Before the fasteners are torqued, the indicator and the mag base will be attached to the mill head. After attaching the test indicator and mag base to the mill head, the test indicator will be aligned perpendicular with the face of the precision ground jaw. Here we have an exaggerated view of the pivot point created by the vise fasteners. After the test indicator is aligned perpendicular with the jaw, the vise is brought towards me so there is contact between the needle of the test indicator and the vise jaw. Then, using the feed handle on the mill table, I move the vise back and forth to find the high and low spot on the vise jaw. If needed, I tap the side of the vise to make it parallel with the movement of the table.
Here we can see the test indicator needle moving slightly when the vise is tapped with the dead blow hammer. Ryan then uses the table critic handle to sweep the needle of the test indicator across the face of the jaw to ensure the vise is parallel with the movement of the table. Once the vise is parallel with the movement of the table, the needle on the test indicator should not move when swept back and forth across the face of the jaw.
The process of setting up and squaring a vise should only take a few minutes. Here's a time lapse of the process.